Verisurf 2025 simplifies the inspection of blades through the addition of a blade type object in reports and inspection plans. Blade analysis works with data measured in Verisurf or imported from a file. Cross-sections can be probed with a CMM. Grid slice filtering can be used to capture cross-sections during scanning, or Create Slice can be used to extract cross-sections from a cloud or mesh. The profiles are then analyzed to the model individually to create a series of analysis objects, and the analyses are added to a plan or report where they're used to analyze the blade geometry. When a blade object is created from an analysis, Verisurf constructs the actual geometry from the point cloud and extracts the nominal values from the model. The parameters of the blade geometry define the characteristics of the blade object, which can be assigned tolerance values and used to evaluate critical angles and linear dimensions. The blade settings dialog controls the display of the actual and nominal values of the various parameters, including the border, the leading and trailing edge circles, the maximum inscribed circle, which represents thickness, the camber line, the chord line, and the centerline ribs. Dimensions can also be displayed for length, radius, and diameter values. If center reporting is enabled, the display can be configured to show the center of a variety of features, such as the center of maximum thickness, the center of the chord line, and the center of maximum camber. A report of the inspection results includes the selected characteristics and the displayed geometry. This combination of measurement options and automatic extraction and visual representation make Verisurf's new blade construction the most efficient way to inspect blades.